Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. I know, please don't kill me. I know I've been missing for like almost 2 weeks, but I've been like, college has driven me crazy. But I am back, you guys, with another video. Today I'm going to show you my Thanksgiving look, kind of like a Thanksgiving get ready with me. I'm going to show you how to achieve this cute Thanksgiving / fall makeup look, and I'm also going to show you the outfit of the day later on this video, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. This cozy sweater like makes me think about fall, and this makeup look just like puts it together, so I'm kind of like loving this combination. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure that you like it and subscribe to my channel, and let's get to it, you guys. Let's go. So we are going to start by applying some concealer all over my lid, and for my concealer I'm going to be using my True Match Super Blendable Concealer from L'Oreal. It is this one right here, and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. Okay, so we're going to be taking a yellow shade from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be applying that on the top of my crease and blend it. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Real Gar from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm just going to be applying that below that yellow shade. I love this pigmentation, like with just one tap, this is all you get. And then with the same palette, we're going to take the color Venetian Red, and we're going to be applying that on the lid. Next, we're going to be taking a really fluffy brush, taking the yellow shade that we took earlier, and now we're just going to blend everything together. Just to like create a gradient effect. So this is how the eyes turned out to be. I still need to apply everything on my face and later go in with a brush and apply my lower lash line. But basically what I just did was that I took some wipes and basically like cut it right here and right here, just like made it all look so nice. And then I applied some lashes, and this is it right here. So okay guys, so now let's start with the face. And I'm sorry if you hear like lots of noises. I'm just in my living room and there's like a lot of dogs, a lot of cars, so I'm really sorry for that. But what we're going to do right now is that I'm going to be applying my L'Oreal Hydra Genius moisturizer. Next, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my new Lancome Ultra Wear Foundation. I got this a few weeks ago actually, and this is like the second time that I'm going to try it by myself. So let's see how it goes. This is in the color 380. So let's see. So for concealer, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Concealer, which I used on the lid, and you just have to like twist it. Also guys, I want you to like tell me what you're doing for Thanksgiving. So what I'm going to be doing for Thanksgiving is just go to my uncle's house and eat. But let me know what you guys do, like depending where you live, what are the traditions. I want to know. It's kind of interesting. So this is how I'm looking right at this second. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is applying some L'Oreal Infallible translucent powder. Guys, what kind of series are you watching? I'm totally obsessed right now with season 3 of Riverdale, which is absolutely like the last episode had me like in my tiptoes because no, it was like a really intense episode. I'm also watching The Flash. Oh, there's a new episode that I didn't watch. I need to watch that. I'm also obsessed with The Flash. And obviously, the best of them all, no offense, but it's Legacies. I am obsessed with Legacies and the whole Vampire Diaries / the originals. It's amazing. Like, I miss the Vampire Diaries and the originals so freaking much. Now guys, for my contour, I'm going to be using contour that I always use, which is the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. Honestly, I only use this because this is the only one that I have, but it's amazing, so I don't mind. Also guys, I wanted to tell you something really important. I cannot wait for December to come because I'm planning on doing like maybe 3 videos a week. So like Christmas related videos, and I'm so excited to do that. I was going to do Vlogmas like every single day, but I really don't do like lots of things, like lots of interesting things, because I'm still in college for the first 2 weeks of December. But that doesn't mean that I'm not gonna vlog. I will definitely like film a video and vlog if I do stuff that is interesting and that I want you guys to see. So it's basically going to be a whole mix between vlogs, between main channel videos. So I'm so excited to be filming that right now. Well, not right now, but soon. So super excited for that. Super duper excited for that. Christmas is like the best season, hands down. Don't come at me. So for blush, I'm going to be using my Paradise Enchanted blush from L'Oreal. This is just like a really cute peachy color. Reminds me a lot of fall. So I'm going to be applying that on my cheeks. I'm obsessed with this look, you guys. I didn't know it's going to come up like this pretty. Ooh, have a little hair there. But it looks so nice. What lipstick should I wear? I really need to buy like dark tone lipsticks because I only have like nudes, pinks, and red. So I think I need to like expand my lipstick collection. Donations are welcomed. And for highlight, I'm going to be using my Becca and Jaclyn Hill collection thing. I have had this for almost like two or 3 years, to be honest, and it's still kind of new. So this is the color Champagne Pop. Look at it go. Look at this. Wow, obsessed. So obsessed. And now you guys, for my lower lash line, let's see what color I'm going to wear. Probably the Venetian red from the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm going to be taking that and this kind of brush here. and I'm just going to be putting that on my lower lash line. Let's see how it goes. I don't do this very often, but I just feel like it needs something else, so I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I'm going to put some setting spray. Should I? I don't use a lot of setting spray, but when I do, I use the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, or the Urban Decay All Nighter, and the Mario Badescu water, but I don't know if I should apply some. Let's just do it. Let's just do it for the video. I always jump when I do this. Like, I get scared even though I'm the one like spraying it. Oh, it's so refreshing. This was a good idea. Oh, I don't want it to get on the camera. Just like give it a glossy kind of look. It smells so good. So anyway guys, I'm going to come right back. I'm just going to change this little shirt that I have and actually show you my outfit for today. So I'll be right back, guys. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this video, this Thanksgiving Get Ready with me. Remember, like, be kind, spread love, spread positivity, always be thankful every single day for everything that you have. Like right now, if you're watching this video, you have so many things to be thankful for. You have eyes, you have ears, like you can see, you can hear, you have a device that lets you watch videos, and yeah guys, like be thankful for even the smallest thing: food, water, clothes, the one friend that you have, your family. Just like find things to be thankful for. Don't focus on the things that you don't have, focus on the things that you do have. And I promise that if you do that, like, you're gonna be living a much happier life, you guys. And I know that I'm just saying this, but I also need to apply that in my life. So let's just work with this together. Like, we're all in this together, you guys. Please be thankful this Thanksgiving, not only this Thanksgiving, just like every single day. So anyways guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching through the end. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel and what I'm doing. So yeah, I exhort you guys to go and follow me on my Instagram page. I post like more of my day-to-day life. I post more pictures, more stories. It's like day-to-day life things. So if you want to know what I do every day, make sure that you go and follow me on Instagram, and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.